Hey guys, welcome to World Illuminate 11. So I've just come out for a walk and I thought I would actually. Oh, there's some squirrels having a bit of fun there. There's like 3 of them. Here we go. One up there and those 2 there looking at me, wondering what I'm doing. There they are. So that wasn't part of the plan, what I was just going to do. But hey guy, hey there. Hey. Gathering information and playing as well up there. There we go. Oh my goodness. They're playing. How basically cute is this? Well, this was certainly not part of the plan. Wow. I wasn't expecting that, that's for sure. I was just going to do a little video of me walking in this little place. This one's just there watching me, wondering what I'm doing. And those 2 are busy playing.